Immigration advocates gathered outside the federal courthouse in Des Moines today as a judge heard arguments over a lawsuit looking to block Iowa's new immigration law. Immigration advocates are calling the state's law an attack on migrant families, but the state argues that the federal government sets standards for immigration policy, and the state has the right to enforce those standards. State House reporter Skylar DeHaas is going to break this all down. The arguments from both sides tonight, with just 3 weeks before Iowa's new immigration law is set to take effect.
A federal judge hears arguments over Iowa's new immigration law, making illegal re-entry into the U.S. a state crime. Each side given 45 minutes to make their case. The U.S. Department of Justice and American Immigration Council says the federal government has the final say over immigration laws.
If these laws aren't challenged, we're risking a situation where we have 50 states with 50 immigration policies. An unworkable system that will harm our vibrant immigrant communities across the country.
Meanwhile, lawyers representing Iowa say the state is just adopting those federal rules, claiming Iowa can enforce immigration laws, just not change them. Iowa Attorney General Brenna Bird says they made their case defending Iowa's law prohibiting illegal re-entry and keeping our communities safe, adding if Biden invested half as much energy into securing our borders as he does suing states like Iowa, we would all be better off. During oral arguments, immigration advocates claim those who have been deported but are now here legally could be at risk because the law doesn't mention legal status exceptions like asylum or green cards. The judge questioning whether Iowa lawmakers left that out for a reason, but the state says lawmakers' intentions should be taken into account, arguing Iowa's other immigration laws would ensure people are only prosecuted based on their current immigration status, and the state will follow federal law.
The state is attempting to rewrite the law the legislature passed in an effort to save it. That's what they're trying to do here. They're faced with a plainly preempted law, and they're trying to fix it now, and they just can't do that.
The U.S. Department of Justice and American Immigration Council are asking the judge to block the law, either temporarily or permanently. The judge hopes to make a decision before the law goes into effect July 1st, but says he expects this is just the first stop and further action may be taken on the issue. In Des Moines, Skylar DeHaas reporting.